What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another house review. Today we're out here in Santa Clara, right off of Prune Ridge. I'm pretty familiar with this area because I went to school in this area, so it's gonna be dope to see a house in this area today. Of course, we're out here with the homie Allen. We're gonna check in with him so he could give you guys the specs. What's up, Allen?
What's up, guys? How's it going today?
Good, good. Where are we at today?
Today we're over on Crestview Drive in Santa Clara, right down the street from Valley Fair Mall, Santana Row, all those good food places around here. We have a 4-bed, 3.5 bath home on 2,300 square feet and 7,200 square foot of lot size. Fully remodeled from the stud, just completed in 2023.
So let's check it out.
Yeah, for sure. You're already through the front door, so this is where you hang out most of the time, of course.
This whole spot is so open. I love it. The wood floors, the design.
What they did, they added all these really nice lighting up above. It's open planned.
This probably looks super dope at nighttime.
Yeah, we got
it looks cool during the day.
Yep.
But at nighttime, it's probably crazier. Look at all this counter space, guys. The kitchen island, plus the counter space that wraps around the entire kitchen. And I don't know if you guys could tell with the video, but this kitchen is pretty big. You got that counter, that one, wrapping all the way around. Pretty much taking a quarter of this space right here.
Yeah, and if you look down, more counter space, more cabinet space.
For all your pots and pans, plates, whatever you want to put in there.
Both sides.
Oh, both sides?
Yes.
Okay, you could probably put some bar stools up there too.
Oh yeah.
Nice. We also have a dining room right off of the kitchen. And their living room.
A nice little electrical fireplace.
This is starting to become the wave, right?
This is the wave, and then you can change the colors, whatever the vibe you feel today.
This is an actual fire, right? It's like a...
No, it's heat, it's like air, like a electric heater.
Okay, so it just has the design of fire, but it's not actually fire.
That's right.
Cool, cool. And we got a space for a TV up top.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then you also have your backyard that has very low maintenance.
Got turf right there.
A little turf spot for your barbecue, hangout, pets, kids.
Tan bark, and then that concrete slab right there for picnics, summer nights, just chilling outside. Pretty big backyard. We have 4 beds in this one?
4-bedroom, 3.5 bath.
Ooh.
Take you to the first washroom, makeup room, powder room.
Is this the electronic?
It's supposed to be. It says it is, but you know, it's meant for the homeowner.
Oh yeah. It'll unlock when the homeowner actually signs off.
Exactly. We'll head over to this room first.
Okay.
Cool thing about this home, it has 2 primary bedrooms. One on this end and one on the other end.
Oh, nice.
So you can check it out.
Double sink right here with a bunch of cabinets. And we also have a super nice walk-in shower. I love that drain right there. Big shower head. Can't go wrong with this space. And we also have that fancy toilet right there. Also have double closets. It's a good setup. You can see the S2K outside. Oh, look at that.
The only downside is you don't have privacy yet. As you can see, we're missing a door, but that's just for the aesthetics.
Oh yeah.
Here we have our bedroom number 2.
Bedroom number 2. Wow, it's really bright in here. Does the TP come with the...
Of course. Everything
is negotiable.
So, and then we have a Jack and Jill bathroom. So 2 bedrooms share 1 bathroom.
This is perfect for a family that has a couple kids. You just share this bathroom right here. And make our way over to this room.
Yep.
It's about the same size, right?
Yeah, equivalent. One maybe, you know, you have 2 kids or 2 renters, who knows.
Damn, that is a nice sink for the kids, man.
Yep.
Does the water work?
It flows right out.
All right, let's try it. Damn. Fancy. The kids are living nice.
Yep. And take you to the primary bedroom. You got your walk-in closet.
Mm-hmm. Plenty of places for storage, for clothes, socks, shoes even.
Plenty of shoes.
Plenty of shoes. And this one also has a bathroom as well,
course.
right?
With the little LED at the bottom.
Oh yeah, huh?
It's really nice.
I like how they have two primaries in this house.
Yeah, so nothing short of it. You can have 2 families here, who knows? And then also your backyard entry.
How much is this house listed for right now?
This one is listed at $2,388,000.
How long did the remodel take?
The remodel took about 1 year with permitting, construction, all of that. So we just finished up the walkthrough around the home. Let's see what you guys think. How much did it cost for this whole construction to be built on this home?
When I see something like this, it just looks expensive. A full teardown and building a house from scratch. I don't know, how much would that cost?
I don't know. Let's ask your viewers. Comment down below and let us know.
Leave a comment down below. Whoever is close to the number might get something. We'll see.
First door as you come into the home.
We have a closet right here. We almost forgot this, so we wanted to make sure we got it for you guys.
A little crawl space below the home. The secret lair. Oh, hello, welcome.
Welcome in, welcome in.
And then we got a 2-car garage.
2-car garage. With the cool door.
Yeah, the see-through, well not see-through, but lighting is very bright.
Bunch of light comes in. I love these doors right here.
There's 1 EV charger here.
It's always good to have. If you guys have a Tesla, if you live in the Bay Area, you probably have a Tesla, so boom.
Then wraps around to your side yard.
I don't know, guys. How much did this cost to build in the Bay Area? Let me know what you think about this house down below. $2.38 million, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths.
3.5.
3.5 baths. And it's available right now. So if you guys are interested and you want to check out the listing, the link is down below. If you need anything real estate related, you can hit up Allen on his Instagram. And we'll catch you guys next time. We're out. Peace.